Hi guys, in a house there are some children and some chairs. And children, if each child occupy one chair, one child does not have a chair. If two children sit on one chair, then one chair left empty. In that case, how many chairs and children are there in a house? Mention this is answer in your comment section. Please do it. By the way, this architecture design, how do you feel? Mention in the comment section, please. If you like the video, give a like and follow us for more updates. Thanks guys for watching. Yay!